Again, we come in this soil you see, so no fertilizer or nothing. This was just planted last year. See how it looking? It's on land. It's on land. Can see this one. You see the one next to it, and the other one next to it is on land. Okay, now this land here also. See it? I turn. I come so from here all the way up. Just look at it. Let me twist the camera small. Just look at it keenly. You see that they are all online. So that's the kind of work that Mustafa did here. Mustafa, his mother, see the palm that was just planted last year. Can you imagine? See how it's growing? So before 2 years from now, the first one we saw, I recorded today earlier on, it's just going to be that way. So you imagine. So the total calculation of farmland here, I think it should be more than 2,500. Yeah, should be more than 2,500. All this area is planted. Yeah, see, just last year. So see how it looking? See how it fresh? And all this one, they are all planted, all here. So we just want to say thank you for the hard work, Mustafa A. Kaba. And I want to say thank you to the financier, which is Musa A. Kaba. We want to say thank you to the strong woman, which happened to be Sis Fatmata Kaba. We want to say thank you to our Sheikh, the incoming Alhaji, which is Berlai Kaba. We want to say thanks to everybody, including me, that took upon myself to come here today and see what is going on. At least with this, we will be able to decide, the CEO decide what to do next. But actually, Mustafa has worked a lot. And from here all the way, Clemena Hill, it's not just around here, all the way Clemena Hill, everything is planted with palm. So it stops here. This is the old palm. This is the old garden right here, going in here. But this is just about a few. But here, going, this is the garden. And I go in here, so. Bamusa, can you imagine that hill all the way over there? I don't know, and this is it going right here. This is the palm farm going right here. So take note, and then we will decide what to do. Assalamu alaikum.